Yeah, let's see. I just got in my Alesis DM10 electronic drum kit. And it comes with this, this, and all the pads that come with it. These tools here are extra, but I like it. I think it's the best electronic drum kit was ever made. Brand new and improved Modro DM10, the head of the drum machine. That's what makes everything works, folks. And today I will be demonstrating one song for you by SRV. Most of you don't know who that is. It's Stevie Ray Vaughan. And I'm going to play a song called Mary Had a Little Lamb. That'll be an interesting song. So just to test it out, the kit, and see how everything works, here we go. Give me a minute to set up. Recording? Alright, here we go. You ready? Here we go. Oh, that's not it.
Mary had a little lamb, it was white as snow, yeah. Everywhere the child went, the lamb was sure to go, yeah. He followed her to school, yeah.